second, like not even doing anything, and this lady decides to cuss me. She's like, "Fuck off, stupid bitch." I didn't even do anything, but welcome to this side of the town. This is how it is. How people are just so miserable. I don't understand what her issue is. I didn't even do anything. Wow. What up, newbie fam? Welcome back to our channel. We're back with another video. Oh God. Are you introducing the video too? Are you introducing the video too? She's actually tired because when she was in the car, I looked at her eyes and they were So we are currently at the mall. I don't know where Sean and them was with us, but I don't even know where they are right now. Oh, they stopped to get something at a store or something like that. Ziggy is friggin' dying to eat food.
That's all, like always.
Hungry belly. I'm getting Chinese food today. I'm getting Chinese food today.
So we're up on the mall, you know what I mean? Go look at little one shoes. Look at one Nike. You know what I mean? They are yard for a man, you know, and do nothing. Just while you man about up Nisha in our car a while ago. What do you do? No. Yo.
The funny thing is, she pulled, stop, she went in the next lane, stopped to make it seem like she was recording us, but then her phone, it made no sense.
I'm bad, you know, you know? But anyway, that's we know what to eat, you know? So, from man, we in our house, not if I do nothing, we did play some FIFA 18, you know? And just did a easy back and thing, you know? You just decide, you know, like how you not doing for a man, you just touch on the road, don't you? I go on bad night, I want to see people. I don't even know what I'm getting now. They say burger and butter over there, Sanisha. Say the whole family there.
I just saw Mom's gonna be getting back on the vlogging, so make sure you guys subscribe to their channel. I'm gonna link their YouTube in my description box. Mira, tell her you want to start vlogging, get some free toys. So
Really?
Shauna, it made no sense. After I turned with you, but you know the lane was cutting off?
Yeah.
I let her in, and she's like, you fucking bitch, in the mirror. And I took my camera recording her. So then she stopped and the 2 lanes and started recording us. I'm like, she's not recording us, she's lying. She took up the phone and she's like, Ziggy got baby girl in the back, he just put her to sleep. Because she was kind of like fighting me. Huh? You want to put her in here? So Nyla's sleeping. Daddy's magic hands. What? Your wallet?
Yeah. Right time, we reach 5 o'clock. Yeah, no, $2.
Look, I gotta take care of him, you see?
So now you need to take care of me.
I'm actually about to buy Nyla some little shoes because she doesn't have any like sneaker shoes. She has like more like slippers. Not that color, Excuse me? Does these come in half size? Can I see a 2? Wait, what is this, a 1?
It'll be on the inside of the tongue. This one's a 1.
Let me try it on her foot, because I mean she's sleeping, but I thought she'll grow out of this too quick.
That's the issue when you're getting shoes that small, right?
Actually,
they do run on the bigger side, so it's not surprising.
No, this like might just be perfect. It's a little big.
Do you want to do
the one, yeah.
Absolutely.
Always love the babies. It's so funny. Oh my god! Ni nanugi.
Bookie.
Oh, you
Okay. You good?
Wait, I don't know if she's using me. Are you using me? Give me a kiss.
Okay, we need to stop teaching you that you don't kiss up everybody.
Wait, I have her in my wrong hand. Where's Ziggy? So, Mr. Ziggy here dreamt some numbers. What happened?
People them say, no, I am a chat phone a lot.
Oh, because I think you're addicted, that's why. He's not addicted, guys. For some reason, every time we vlog, that's when he ends up buying a scratch ticket.
So that's how in the company road.
Kissing boys. Who are you kissing? Auntie doesn't approve. Nyla.
Auntie doesn't approve.
Their names are too close.
Auntie doesn't approve.
Close. Daddy doesn't approve. I keep calling her Nyla and calling Nyla Lyra. So guys, Ziggy left me, right? Saying he's gonna get some tea. Which he did come back with tea, but he's like, I'll be right back. Comes back. But then when he came back, I was in the washroom. So he's sitting down and I see a little Essenza bag behind him. The man bought me something. I don't know yet the way he bought me, but we'll see.
It says, yes. Yeah,
Shout out to the
surprise.
Yeah, when I go home I'll open it. Maybe I'll open on camera, we'll see. But to the men that can go into women's store and not afraid to buy their women's stuff. Right, Nyla?
I was a bit nervous though.
Why?
Everybody they
Watch you?
You
don't want him to think it's yours?
You're like,
You don't want him to think it's yours?
no, you don't. Probably they must say, whoa, a guy buying his girl something or a guy buying pizza? Like,
That's funny.
Gucci.
We about to head home and go cook some dumpling because Ziggy saying want dumpling, you don't want no more food. I'm about to leave Shauna and Ramon. Because it's almost Nyla's, she usually goes to bed around 9 and it's a little after 8. We're kind of trying to kill time because we got to pick up Keisha from work. But, yeah, I got to go home and like wipe her down and all that stuff because she used to go to bed around like 9. Banana, see ya. Wouldn't want to be ya.
Girl,
Hey, Ramon.
look for me, good. Look for me. You don't say you want to be me.
Oh, Lord, she's so whack. Bye, Ramon. Make sure you start those vlogs, you know, the people that are going to be looking out for the vlogs.
Stop telling them lies. I'll see what I can do.
He said he see what he can do. Where's Ziggy?
Yeah, family. So you don't know what we're up on the mall. We're leaving the mall actually, you know, and come get 2 little shoes. You don't know anything set, you know. Already in a little thing like Nike's my little thing now, you know.
Because
So like
because all you wear is
Clarks, yeah, I'm wear Clarks. So now it's gonna be like a Nike month, you know what I mean?
I know, right? But to go to the grocery store and get some green banana, because I bought green banana and they turned right because Ziggy didn't use them other that side. Oh.
Is it?
Yeah. Yeah, sorry. So Ziggy's gonna make some banana and dumpling. Sean and them are gonna get some fast food, I guess. I don't even know what they're doing. Oh, my baby buy me lingerie. So cute.
Yes, again, so we are gonna look some banana sinting as Anisha, so we are gonna turn up some food now here.
We were gonna get wings.
But yeah, they were gonna get wings, and I'm not down for boneless wings or wings. Yesterday I wanted some dumpling and some, but unfortunately there was rice. Yesterday what I want was dumpling, but rice already cooked, so I said, you know what, not to stress the thing, I just work with the rice. So today now, I don't want no wings, no chips, nothing, no dumpling and banana and them thing. So maybe for some steamed veg or some tin mackerel, or I just say meat did already, so me just turn over that because you don't really matter with the thing, you know. See, Mama, I'm still here. Alright. They talk, mama they talk, you know, can't hold him again. So yeah, we have see if we can pick up some liquor something and pick up Nisha sister C and Speed. And then yeah time, you know? So you catching the back round on the road.
So Ziggy actually just went in the store without me, and I'm here currently feeding this one. Guys, like I literally pump, and sometimes I'll walk with it. I'll even try to walk with like formula just in case, and this little girl will not take the bottle for the life of her. She'll take it like sometimes, or she'll take it from Ziggy if I'm not around. But it's so hard sometimes, like it's so hard. The pros and cons of breastfeeding when you're in public, man. Okay, well not pros and cons, but like it's just hard sometimes because of this situation. Or like sometimes you go some places, like in the grocery store, there's nowhere you can really go to go sit and like breastfeed. It's kind of annoying. Same thing with the mall. It's like if you don't have something to cover up, like you're screwed. Not really screwed, but like people find it weird. They look at you weird. So sometimes I wish she kind of did take formula, even though breastfeeding I know is really like the best for her, but sometimes it's a lot. But yeah, so Ziggy went there to go get some stuff, and Keisha's actually almost done. So I'm just in the car waiting and breastfeeding this little one. And yeah.
Boo! What up? What up? What up? So we just got home. Keisha by Nisha something. Yeah, so we just reached home. As a minute, go cook. But I don't know. Mike chef up some soup. Yeah? I don't know, Mike always in the kitchen already, you know. So yeah, we just got home. Let's see. Show me what I want. I'm take out some soup already in here. I don't know if chef's good. Yeah? So make a bowl of soup, eh? Some dumpling, some yam, meat all over. Shell down some of this because I feel like my head I go bounce me a little bit, so you know. So check in when you look more. I pull up the shoes them and show them what I go on. Don't know when I left note there, you know, yeah, including everything what I go on. You see, pretty? So soon tune in. Super sweet, your friend. You know they want it though. The food hot. I'll sit down and rest by myself. Alright, so now go upstairs.
So guys, I just opened my little gifts that Ziggy bought me. I can't show you guys that they're too sexy for the camera. I'm joking. So we got a little Converse for Nyla because, you know, the girl don't have no running shoes. So we got a pair of these. They're actually really cheap. They're like $30, which is not even bad.
Mama got me bad Nike, so.
Keisha, you're gonna be cheap.
Bad Nike, yes, sir.
Huh? Yeah.
Yeah. Looking good. Should I get one of them at the same color?
They had the
I may could have rock you one time, you know?
I told you, you don't listen.
Next time down your line.
What are you showing me?
Huh? And
Actually, I'm about to go throw these in the garbage. No? So y'all, you know, don't mind my bed. We were in the process of folding some laundry and stuff like that. But anyways, we're just here. I had an exam today and I was freaking out because you know those ones where you study like I literally studied. I studied, but then as soon as I got the test, I completely blanked. Like today is the first time in all my years of going to school I actually almost cried while having the exam paper in front of me. Like I was freaking out. The class was hard, man. Like the class was just hard, the exam was hard, but I'm just happy that and I'm so grateful that I passed. I'm just waiting for one more mark to be released to know if I officially passed this semester. But I'm just here. I was watching the Williams family's vlogs, and now I'm here watching the Rush fam. Love them, man. They're such a humble family, and they're coming from so far. Like, I really rate them. Yazzie, to big up the Rush fam. Yes, yes. Quick little update. Nala officially sleeps through the night. She's 2 months and she sleeps through the night, which is I'm so grateful for because in the beginning it was rough, right, Nyla? Nay. Hi, mama. Hi. Hi. Now I can talk to the camera. Hi. Yes. But anyways, yeah. So she's sleeping through the night and she's still on breast milk. She won't take formula. I tried formula, but
Should I take this off?
what? Oh yeah. But
Already put, more
she only takes, so sometimes I pump and I had like the days when I'm not here, when I was going to school or whatever, or sometimes like Ziggy's home and I'm sleeping whatever, like he'll feed her. I would pump and she kind of still gives him a little fight with the bottle, but she's slowly taking it. She takes it from him at least. She won't take it from me. What else? She won't take pacifier. We tried the other night. She still won't take it. Yeah, she just loves her breasts. That's why she's so fatty boom boom. Fatty boom boom. That's why she's so fat. But yeah, this is a quick little update on her. Let me know down below if you guys want me to do like monthly updates on her. Let me know down below, because I mean, the pace that she's at, like she be doing a lot. Cause the other day she rolled over by herself. I was like shocked. Mind you, she's only 2 months. What else is she doing? She's laughing like big laughs. She just discovered her hands, so like she'll sit there and just be like staring at her hands like that. And she loves to smile. And she loves to talk. Whenever you talk to her, like she loves to talk back to you. Her last, I think at her 2 months checkup, she weighed 10 pounds. Pretty sure she weighs more now. And she's no longer fit. She doesn't fit in newborn. She actually grew out of her newborn stuff pretty quick. Even like the diapers. At one point I was scared. I was like, holy crap, I have too much diapers. Newborn diapers, but I put them to use. And then now I feel like she's slowly growing out of her size 1. So I have a whole box of size 1 that I can't use. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have to start using size 2. Look how tight this is. Like I had to go buy onesies the other day because she's just growing too quick for my liking. I'm joking. No, I shouldn't say that. She's just growing too quick. But I mean, that's a good thing. I'm not saying it's a bad thing.
You're ready for the run.
So yo, the only thing that the only lotion I've been using on her skin is Aveeno, because someone was asking. So I actually use Aveeno. This is the one I use in the nighttime. This is the Aveeno Baby Eczema Care Nighttime Balm with soothing. I don't even know how to pronounce this. Oatmeal. So this is the one that I use on her in the nighttime, and it's supposed to like. Did she bump in your mouth? Or she almost did. Come bring it. So yeah, this is what I've been using on her in the nighttime. It's supposed to like relax them and stuff like that. And then I also mix. This is really moisturizing. It's heavy, but it's really, really, really moisturizing, and a little goes a long way. And I also mix it with olive oil. And in the daytime, I have the other, and then this is the one that we use in the daytime. So this is the Eczema Care Moisturizing Cream. And it still has the oatmeal in it too. And someone was asking me if she has eczema. She is watching. Hence, she likes watching me. Eczema. Hence why I was using this. And that's not the reason why. I just really like Aveeno. And Shauna told me great things about this, and it worked for her baby. Shauna's baby actually has eczema. But Nala doesn't have eczema. I know the first time when she was born, I tried the Johnson on her and she got like a whole bunch of little bumps. I still don't know if it was from the Johnson, because I also tried to use baby oil. So I don't even know if that's what it was from too. So it's from something. I don't know what exactly it was. But like now if I try to use the Johnson on her skin, like she's fine. But I don't even use it often. I just stick to like all Aveeno stuff. And I know some people will be like, yeah, Aveeno's expensive, but you get Aveeno stuff when they're on sale, and you can price match at Walmart. Right now? Right now? But anyways, we're about to go eat our dinner, so, yeah. Yeah. So guys, this is the end of the vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. We're actually about to go to bed. Ziggy has work in the morning. And I'm about to put Nala to bed and then go have some soup. And head to my bed. because it must be early morning. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Do you hear how unruly this girl is? When she wants her boobies, like, you can't play. Anyways, I'll see you guys in the next vlog.